Tornado sightings were reported in Oklahoma and Kansas as a powerful storm carrying strong gusts moved from Texas Panhandle Sunday evening. Tornado watches and warnings remained in effect in Oklahoma as of early Monday morning. At least 2 tornadoes were spotted in Oklahoma City, and damage was reported in the Norman and Shawnee areas. Widespread gusts ranging from 70 to 90 miles per hour were reported in southwest Oklahoma. A tornado took down trees and power lines and damaged a home in the city of Liberal, Kansas. And wind gusts of 114 miles per hour were recorded in Hall County, Texas. NDS made for the 7th strongest gust recorded in the city. What do you guys thinking? Drop your